In this video, you'll learn how to insert and delete rows and columns. There are two ways to add rows. For the first method, you can place your cursor behind the table. Then, press Enter. A new row is inserted. If want to add a new row after the last row, you may press Enter key or Tab key. The second method to add a row or column is to place the cursor on the left border of the table. It will appear with a plus sign, then click on it, and a new row will appear. Same to add the column, just place the cursor at the top border. Then, it will appear a plus sign, then click on it, and a new column will appear. To only delete the content, select the content, then press the delete key. Only the content will be deleted without affecting the rows and columns. To delete the rows, select the desired row, then press the backspace key. The row will be deleted. Same with deleting the column, select the desired column and press the backspace key. Then, the column will be deleted. Another way to delete the row and column is select the desired cells, right-click then select Delete Cells. There are a few options to choose from. If you select Shift Cells left, only the desired cells will be deleted, and all data will be shifted to the left. If you select Shift Cells up, only the desired cell's content will be deleted, and all the data will be shifted up. If you select Delete Entire Row option, the row will be deleted. If you select Delete Entire Column, the whole column will be deleted. That's all from this video. If you find my video helpful to you, please like, share and comment. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.